You might be wondering what happened to this phone. Well, me too. You wanna find out? Follow me. Alright guys, we got the mail in all the way from Cali. You're about to see something that you never seen before. Let me show you, come closer. Here we go. This is the phone. That's the housing. What do you think? Is this fixable?
Oh, no! No!
This is the front screen. And this is the frame. It's all over the place. I don't know what happened. She didn't tell me. I will try to find out the backstory.
Yeah, so what had happened was...
I got more. And probably needs the new camera as well, because the back camera is broken. This whole piece. So hopefully if we can fix this, I'm going to put the whole new frame on this one. We will take the main board, that's the most important part. It looks like bent a little bit from here. I'm not sure, but we will try. Holy moly, man. Get that. They repaired this before. Aftermarket screen. I got pieces in my hand. Make sure you wear your gloves.
So you're telling me this right here is fixable. So what are you gonna do with that thing?
Well, my plan is, what I'm going to do, I will take the main board from here, because you cannot use this frame anymore, and you cannot fix this with the laser machine. So I will put all the new frame. This is like the original housing, which I already assembled everything on this one. Like I installed the new battery, Apple one, and everything is like original. The back camera installed. So we will take basically the main board from here and put it on there. And for the screen, we will have to use the new screen, obviously. You can already tell, right?
Wait, so you're telling me that screen doesn't work?
Of course.
It looks like some emotional damage.
Emotional damage!
It looks emotional damage, yes. Alright, so now we can go here and disconnect our battery. You have to pop the SIM tray out. There are so many screws when you repair the iPhone, and they're all different size. Make sure, you know, when you remove them, you don't lose them.
You lose a lot of screws?
You know, if you're a good technician, you have to lose some.
Yeah.
The most important part here is the main board. As long as the main board is not damaged, we can fix it. If the main board is damaged, then different work. Let's see. You ready for it?
Are you ready for it?
I am.
Alright, let's see
I'm
it.
gonna take the baby out.
Alright.
Here we go.
Is it a boy?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Look at that. So this is like bent. Hopefully, I have big hope that it will work. I don't see like serious damage on this one. It's a little bit emotional damage, not too much. Alright, so now we're gonna put the main board on this housing and we will get started working on the front screen.
What were you saying about the home button?
So the home button, you know, Apple, the way they made it, it only works with the original that come with the phone. So I will see, hopefully if that's not damaged, it will work. If it's damaged, unfortunate, I can still put one, but you know, it will not read the fingerprint. You know, Apple wants you to come back. So main thing what I like to do when I repair, I like to leave it as original as possible. Which means, you know, when you go to Apple store, I don't want them to say, hey, this phone was open before. That's my main goal always when I repair phones, which we will try to do on this phone as well. That's why I like to use original parts.
Look how small that screw is.
There. Look at this.
I can't see it.
You cannot see it.
No, I cannot see it.
You have to put your glasses on.
You're never gonna look back, cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Got it. Almost there. You have to have good screwdriver and you have to magnetize them, otherwise it will be really hard for you to hold it.
What makes a good screwdriver?
3D ones, the one I use, they're really good. But I also magnetize on this one here, so this way I can hold the screws. Sometimes it's really hard to hold them.
How do you magnetize it?
You have to you know, you have to buy this and you put your screwdriver right here. It says magnetize, demagnetize. That's how you do it. So far, this is how it looks. What do you guys think? So this is the back, the main board here. Pull the screws back in the way it's supposed to be.
Starting to look pretty handsome there.
Yeah, that's right.
It's been working out.
So we started on the second part. We're gonna start on the screen. What do you want? I have to work, buddy. I have to work. We're gonna fix this one. We cannot use this back frame. That's why I have new one. We cannot also use the front camera. So I have new front camera as well here. And also this ear speaker, I will replace it too. Hopefully, if this home button is not broken, so we will use this only on this front. And I have a new screen here, so we're gonna put everything on this new screen. All right, let's see how lucky she is. Okay. Oops, no luck.
So you're saying she should not play the lottery today?
No.
No.
See? It's broken.
Yeah, but like, how do you know that? By looking at that.
Because
To me,
right
it
here,
just looks not
it
broken.
looks broken. This whole thing is one flex cable, so it's supposed to be connected from here. See, like here, it's cut. So it's done. Garbage. This is important. You connect this here, but like that, you have to hear the sound. Satisfying.
You think the customer's gonna be satisfied?
She will be if this works.
If it's good.
If this doesn't work, I'm not sure. Other thing, don't send me phones like this to challenge me, guys. It's not easy. You might not be lucky all the time. Not every phone is fixable. That's it. Time to find out the moment of the truth. What do you think? All this hard work will pay off or no?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Right. I am very excited. Here we go.
Great success.
Wow. Look at this.
It's alive.
It's alive. Let's see if this is going to turn on. That's the main thing. I'm very excited. I want to see the result. I want this to turn on. And we are in, guys. Like I said, Touch ID will not work, but here we go. We're not going to Safari.
No, we learned our lesson.
We learned the lesson without going Safari, but it's fixed.
Looking good.
Your phone is ready, miss.
Don't worry. I got you.
Don't worry, I got you.
All right. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Money Talks Wireless. Don't worry. I got you.
What happened to your phone, you said?
Yeah, so what had happened was my phone was already broken. I paid for it to get fixed. I got a new LCD screen. And then that same day, my boyfriend got mad at me. He ended up throwing the phone to the wall, like really hard, like trying to break it.